Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm creating a soft spring glam makeup look. I got my face and brows ready, so let's jump right into it. For the palette today, this one is from Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using it to create this gorgeous spring glam. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you are not already, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to pick up that lighter peach shade first, and I'm working it into my crease and the outer third very sloppily. Then with the darker peach shade, I'm going to kind of concentrate that on the outer third and V, and then pick up the brush I started with and blend out that harsh edge. With one of the pads of my fingers, I'm going to work one of the 3 shimmer shades of the palette onto my lid about 2/3 of the way, and then using a clean brush to blend out the edge. Jumping down to the lower lash line very sloppily, I'm going to work that lighter peach shade all on the lower lash line, then just using the dark brown shade to concentrate on the outer third, blend it out, and then time to match up the other eye. Now that both eyes are ready, I'm using a beautiful gold liner pencil from Urban Decay on the lower waterline. I did my liquid liner off camera, and then also off camera added lashes and mascara. So today I'm going a little out of order. I usually like to do my setting spray first and then my highlight, but highlight, here we go. Inner corner, the brow bone, bridge my nose, tip of my nose, cheekbones, and of course, sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. And my lips, this is also from Cosmetics. It's a lip gloss with like a tint. This is perfect for spring and also summer. I love this shade. And now here we go, setting. I'm gonna fan it out, and then once it's all fanned out nice and dry, I like to mattify a little more, so I take some powder, I put on my forehead, the inner portions of my cheeks and my chin, and bam, the look is complete. I hope that all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope that you all will come back and join me next week for another video. Thanks again for watching, and take care.